tools. Step 1. Open the upper shell of the main device. Wear on the anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage to electronic components. Press the connecting button, then separate the humidifier from the main device. Remove the SD card. Open the upper shell with flat tweezers or slotted screwdriver. Remove the upper shell. Step 2. Remove the circuit board. Brush a little alcohol solution on the LCD terminal fixing glue. Remove the LCD fixing glue. Open up the LCD terminal and take out the LCD wires. Pull out the terminal block of the knob, then take out the knob wires. Unscrew the 3 screws on the circuit board. Remove the alarm circuit board, motor wires and humidifier wires. Step 3. Separate the middle shell of the main device. Take out the silicon plug. Unscrew the 5 screws on the middle shell. Straightly separate the middle shell from the back shell. Take out the noise-reducing cover and the soundproof silicone pad. Take out the motor. Step 4. Replace the motor. Separate the shockproof silicone pad at the outlet and the silicone case from the motor. Fit together the shockproof silicone pad and the silicone case with a new motor. Step 5. Fit together the middle shell. The motor wire and the hull line need to be put through the hole. The motor and the middle shell should be fitted closely. Please notice the fixing bar and the shockproof silicone pad. Put the soundproof silicone pad and the noise-reducing cover onto the motor. Settle the airway sealing ring. Combine the middle shell with the back shell. Screw the 5 screws on the middle shell. Put the silicone plug into the hole. Step 6. Install the circuit board. Plug the motor wires and the humidifier wires into the terminal blocks. The wires need to be settled properly to prevent from being pressed. Plug the knob wires into the terminal. Plug the LCD wires into the terminal. When installing the circuit board, the pressure sensor and the flow sensor should be fitted closely with the sealing rings. Screw the 3 screws on the circuit board. Settle the wires to prevent from being pressed by the upper shell. Step 7. Install the upper shell. Plug the 2 hooks of the upper shell into the slots. Close the upper shell. Insert the SD card. Connect the humidifier and the main device. Thanks for watching.